You guys, I can't stop talking or rambling about this closure because it is that good. Hey y'all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to be unboxing some raw Indian wavy hair texture that I got from a company called Indianhairtree. Guys, Indianhairtree is a company based in Chennai. They deal on raw hair extensions, they sell bulk hair, they have weft hair. All of the bundles and all of the hairs that they have in stock are being sold at affordable prices. This hair company is a fairly new company, but then again, they're still very reputable and they stand by what they say they have to offer. I found them on Instagram. They are a very new company, so don't be afraid if you go on their page and you see that they don't really have a large amount of following, or they don't really have so much traffic going on their page. They're still a fairly new company. For those of you wondering what payment methods this company offers, they do accept PayPal, so you can be rest assured that your money is safe. So you can just go on and maybe try 1 or 2 bundles for yourself and see the quality, if it's what you like, or if it's something you can work with. Once again, the name of this company is Indianhairtree. Okay, so yeah, I purchased 4 bundles of their raw Indian natural wavy in the length 24 inches and a transparent 5x5 lace closure in the length 22 inches. I'm going to tell you guys the price of this hair. This hair cost me a total of, I think, $384. I'll put the correct price on the screen. That is without shipping, and then shipping to Nigeria costs about $35, okay, which is very, very affordable for raw Indian hair. I think this company actually has affordable prices. They are not as expensive as most Indian hair companies out there. So yeah, the hair came via FedEx. As you guys can see, it came via FedEx. And so this is the closure in 22 inches, 5x5. Okay. Wow. So, wow, you guys, can you guys see this? Look at this closure, you guys. Let me come in closer for you guys to like really, really see how beautiful this closure was constructed. Like, when I tell you, this closure is not dense at all, so you don't necessarily have to do a lot of plucking. Like, it's just perfect. Okay, so this is the closure. Can you see the wave pattern? You guys, like, when I tell you, this hair is just, I'll try to like put clips of the hair in natural lighting so you guys can actually get to see how the quality of the hair looks. But this is how the closure looks. Once again, I got transparent lace. This is some really good quality lace. Okay, so I'll still do a little bit of plucking in the hairline here, but other than that, the hair is perfect. Like, you don't have to do so much plucking to the hair. So this is 22 inches stretched out. I believe it will get to that. So it's really, really full. There is no smell, and I've been looking through the bundles and the closure. I'm not seeing any funny looking strands or whatnot. I didn't see any lice or any of that. So yeah, this is what the 22-inch closure. Once again, this is raw Indian wavy texture. Okay, it's not being processed in any way. This is just how the hair has been cut off the donor's hair. So yeah, these are all of the 4 bundles that I got from the company. So yeah, let's move on to the bundles. So this is the very first bundle. I'm obsessed with the wave patterns. Like, when I tell you, the wave pattern is what is like driving me crazy. And it's super soft. It's super thick. The hair is really, 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 really thick. And it smells washed. It smells freshly washed. Although I always rewash all of the bundles that I get from vendors in general. So this is one bundle from the company. It's beautiful. Like, look at that wave pattern. Can you guys see? One moment for the hair, please. So yeah, this is one of the bundles. This is the second bundle. My hands are also going through this bundle as well. This is the second bundle. So this hair is sort of like a wavy curly, like it's like wavy curly texture. I don't know if you guys understand, but it's not I don't know, like it's just wavy curly. I have a shipment coming in, and that is raw Indian curly hair texture. So when that hair comes, I'm going to compare it side by side with this one here. So this is just 2 bundles of hair. All right, so this is the third bundle. Once again, my hands are going through the bundle. It smells really nice. So this is 3 bundles put together, so you guys can see that you honestly don't even need 4 bundles. 3 bundles is more than enough because Indian hair is like super thick. I can't wait to make this hair into a wig. You guys. So yeah, this is 3 bundles, but I got 4 bundles because I want the hair to be like so big. So this is just 3 bundles. This is the last bundle right here. So this is the last bundle, and I think this is my favorite bundle out of all of the bundles. So this is the last bundle. This is 24 inches. Hair is beautiful. So I'm gonna put all 4 bundles together so we can see the thickness for all of my girlies that love like really full thick bundles like me. All right, so these are all 4 bundles, okay, put together. Can you guys see the thickness of this hair? Like, this is how it's going to look, I think. So yeah, these are all of the 4 bundles put together, super thick. Like, this is so much hair, plus the closure. So I am going to make this into a wig, and then I would come back and I'll let you guys know how the hair holds up. Once again, I got all of this hair from the company called Indianhairtree. Please go look them up, okay? They're on Instagram. They also have a website. If you would like to purchase hair from their website, they have a website. I'll leave all of their WhatsApp information and the links to their Instagram. All of the information about this company will be listed down in the description box. So do make sure to reach them out, okay? Like I said, the total of this hair was about $380 something. I'll put the correct amount on the screen, and then plus shipping, it amounted to $400 and I believe $12 or something. I would check and I'll let you guys know the total. And this company is actually very affordable. Like, for a raw Indian hair company, like I'm blown. Like, I'm actually really surprised. You don't get to like come across a lot of raw Indian companies with affordable prices. But when I tell you that this vendor's hair is affordable, I mean what I'm saying. Like, the hair is super affordable, and judging from the unboxing, the hair is really beautiful. It is raw hair, I can tell. There are no mixed strands or, you know, none of that. Like, it's absolutely raw hair. It is super beautiful. Like, when I tell you guys, this hair is beautiful. Like, it's so pretty. So pretty, okay? When I tell you guys, I've received closures from some raw hair vendors, and when I tell you, it's been terrible. Like, most of them, when you get the closure is so thick and it's so dense. Like, you have to keep plucking, and even when you keep plucking and plucking, it's like you're not even removing any hair at all from the closure, because it is that dense. So that's why I'm like laying so much emphasis on this company's closure. Like, this is well done. It's beautiful. This has got to be the favorite thing that I love from this company, the closure. The closure is, I wish you guys can even see this in person. Like, the camera isn't even doing justice to what I have in my hands. Like, if you know you're not going to get anything from the company, even if you have an Indian vendor that is supplying you bomb-ass bundles, just go try them out for their closures and frontals. And I'm telling you, you're going to come back on this video and you're going to write below this video and you're going to say, Kiki, you're the best, okay? Thank you guys so much for staying tuned and watching this video. Once again, I got all of this hair from the company called Indianhairtree, so please make sure to go check them out. Make all of your inquiries. Even if you don't get bundles from this company, I am telling you, at least buy the closure or the frontal and see the quality for yourself. Okay, so thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye y'all.